Today I had the privilege of coming and talking at the i3net annual showcase. It was a great opportunity to provide the local community, the local business community, an update on the status of all our projects. So we talked a little bit about the Blast Furnace, MCL7, Project Prime in the plate mill, and we're able to give a little bit of an update on our decarbonisation pathway as well. I started at the Port Kembla Steelworks in 1989, and I've worked in a variety of different jobs with BlueScope around the world. No matter where you go, all of our manufacturing facilities have a strong connection to people and a strong connection to the community. i3net is a fantastic opportunity to really strengthen those links with the business community, but also more broadly our community partners within the Illawarra. It's a great opportunity to be a sponsor of i3net and utilise today to make those strong connections and also strengthen the existing connections that we do have within the local community.